Good morning, guys. Raining. Raining. Go and take a walk. Fashion show. Ooh. Nice. Joker. Sorry guys, joker lang sa person. Joker, si Ate B. Ang pet lover ng Philippines. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Magtagalog na ako, guys. Kumusta po ang bawat isa? Sana po ay nasa mabuting kalagayan. Ay, ang hirap dito, guys. Yan ang problema. Taas mo ganyan. Taas may tao pala doon, no? Nice. When the people see me over there, I'm glad no more people. Ay, hard. Where is my baby? Tapos na po silang kumain. Not finished yet. How's family cat cute? I buy this yesterday. So going to fix that, but it's raining. Stop. Fix. Ay. How are you, everyone? Cat and dog. Ano? Enjoy?